Hello. It's snowing.
I love it.
Trying to get video footage, but it's not real easy. But proof of life that we're here in the snow. Let's see if I get any video footage later on. It's cleared up finally a little bit. You can actually see where we're going, which is a nice change. This is really our first time actually seeing any of this.
Look at the stuff for the Winter Games. Look at those trucks.
Wow, and then look over here. Look how incredible that is. Amazing. Shortly after filming that video, the visibility went back to practically nothing, so we just decided to call it a day. We knew that tomorrow would be a full day on the mountain with beautiful weather, and we just wanted to rest up and not push ourselves too hard. We headed back to the hotel, got some drinks and some dinner, and just hung out in the hotel room until we went to sleep. Oh, hello.
Come on in, it's cold.
Oh, look at this cute little room. And here we are. This is the old Cardrona Hotel. The view out the window is not the worst.
No, it's a cool place. This is exactly right up our alley. I love
The
it.
view out this way,
Yeah.
also not the worst.
Nice and cozy.
Got our bathroom here. Hello. Pretty decent sized bathroom with a big shower that we are using currently to dry all of our gear.
Yeah.
Cute little hotel. I love it. The front looks so fun. I mean, it looks fake, but I know it's real. I want to explore the grounds because I know there's like a fire pit out there. There's the jacuzzi, which is a bit full right now, so we might try for that later. But first we can go to the pub and get some snacks.
Yeah, I'm hungry. We haven't had much to eat today, and we've been on the mountain all day.
Yeah, we had a croissant for breakfast and a meat pie for lunch. So we need to get some actual food in our body.
It's time for food.
Right? Yeah.
Right, I think the other one. Yeah, all done.
Ooh. Right. Go for it.
Because otherwise there's just a couple chairs there.
Yeah, that might be it.
Mulled wine.
Tasty goodness.
So good. So good. This is the coolest place. Like, I love the pub atmosphere. I love the après-ski atmosphere. Everyone's here after coming down off the mountain, and it's just a solid pub. And we're staying here, which is what I love. So it's really cool. I'm so excited. It's going to be a great couple nights.
We are finishing our evening here in Cardrona. Some light nibbles before we go to bed early. We had a great day on the mountain, but we've got a long day on the mountain again tomorrow. So we're probably going to just pass out, wake up early, get on the mountain early, and get to it. Should be a beautiful day, so we'll actually be able to see what we're skiing. See you guys on the mountain.
Good morning. It's day 2 here at the Cardrona Hotel, and it's a lovely morning. We're so looking forward to getting on the mountain, and it's about 7:45. We're just grabbing some breakfast at the hotel, which right now is exclusive for hotel guests. I think they do breakfast other times, maybe in the before times. But we're gonna grab some breakfast, some coffee for sure, and head up over onto the mountain. Get up there early today. It looks like it's gonna be a beautiful day. It's gonna be sunny and not warm, but sunny, and we'll maybe get some better visibility today and get some better video, hopefully, because we couldn't get much for the channel yesterday.
No, we could not.
But looking forward to a day where we can really see the slopes and really get into it and have a good time.
It's busy.
Yeah. It should be. Don't go too far. I didn't bring my wallet.
Right, it's just ask me where I'm eating tonight. Yeah, I can't drink that.
Oh, survey says.
Oh my god, it's so good.
Yeah.
Warm garlic bread.
It's just buttery and garlicky and cheesy.
Fire a little fire right here. Okay, it's my turn. This was my first time staying at a hotel with a proper after-ski atmosphere. It was really neat to see what seemed like the entire mountain come to one spot at the end of the day, have some of the Cardrona Hotel's famous mulled wine, have some snacks, and just decompress after a long day on the mountain.
It was extra special to be staying at the hotel, knowing that we could just go back to our room whenever we wanted before dinner. The food at Cardrona is exceptional, from the bar food to the breakfast both mornings, and especially the dinner we had our second night there. Everything was exactly what we wanted it to be. Before leaving the hotel on our last day, we decided to go for a walk around the grounds after breakfast. It was really nice to see it with nobody else around and see all the hard work that has gone into restoring this nearly 160-year-old hotel and pub. Several years ago, they did a massive refurbishment to bring the hotel up to standards, and the effort was well worth it. The front of the hotel is all original, while the back of the hotel is the new addition. But they did a great job of making it feel like it's part of the original hotel, including the rooms that we stayed in. While we've been traveling around New Zealand, we've really tried to make an effort to stay in historic pubs and hotels. Cardrona Hotel turns 160 years old next year. All of the historic hotels that we've stayed in so far have been really great experiences, but we both agree that some of the hotels we don't need to stay in again. However, Cardrona Hotel will always be our number one choice when staying in the area. So we're on our way to see, what is it, hashtag that Wanaka tree?
That Wanaka tree.
Apparently it's this tree growing in a lake.
Everyone said, we have to go see the tree. You have to see the tree. You have to go to Wanaka, and you have to see the tree, and you have to take a picture with the tree. It's got its own hashtag, that Wanaka tree. It's
So
this
anyway,
thing.
we're gonna go see the tree that's in a lake. You can see it from here. This is gonna be good. Found it. That's the tree.
Okay.
It's probably more impressive in spring.